Hey everybody, today we're gonna make enchiladas. But what's an enchilada? Quite simply, an enchilada is a corn tortilla rolled around meat, fish, or cheese, topped with sauce, cheese, or a whole bunch of other ingredients. Most enchiladas are made inside in a traditional kitchen oven or outside in a stone oven. But today we're gonna make ours on the Blackstone. This recipe is so easy, it'll knock your socks off. We'll start with the Blackstone range top griddle top on high. Grab your favorite enchilada sauce and pour it into a skillet. Turn that range top burner to low. Bring your enchilada sauce to a simmer. Submerge your tortillas. Give them a flip and put them straight down on the griddle top, which by now should be muy caliente. You can add meat, seafood, or the cheese of your choice. Today I'm going to use canned chicken. When I'm making tamales, I prefer rotisserie or canned chicken as it's the most moist. Use your spatula to fold the sides of the tortilla together, applying just a little bit of pressure to compress the tortilla. Next, I'll top mine with a 4 Mexican cheese blend: cheddar, Monterey Jack, asadero, and queso quesadilla. I'll pour a little water on the griddle top, close the hood, and we'll melt that cheese in no time at all. Let's plate it up. Shredded iceberg lettuce, fresh chopped cilantro, a drizzle of Mexican cream, it's called crema mexicana, and then lastly I'll sprinkle it with Blackstone's taco and fajita seasoning. Let's give it a try. Historians believe that the enchilada dates way back to the time of the Mayans, so people have been enjoying these things for over 1,500 years. But don't take my word for it, make your own, because this one is mine.